Hi guys, today for computational fluency, you will need a red crayon, a purple crayon, probably a pencil, and your number corner book. And we're going to be working on page 8. If you don't have these materials ready now, please stop this video and go find these materials and come back and start play. See you shortly. Alright, so today we're going to be reviewing the doubles and the doubles plus or minus 1 facts. Take a look at all of those doubles facts that I've written on the screen. Also take a look at the doubles plus or minus 1 facts. Do you notice anything about them? If so, keep that in your head for a few minutes and let's talk about it as we move on with our lesson today. First, let's take a few minutes to learn about the doubles facts. Go ahead and watch this catchy song to help you remember all the doubles facts.
These are the doubles, 1 through 12. We're adding numbers to themselves. These are the doubles, 1 through 12. We're adding numbers to themselves. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. Time to concentrate. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10, my friend. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 and 7 make 14. And 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 9 is 18. 10 and 10 make 20. 2 11s are 22. And 12 plus 12 is 24. These are the doubles, 1 through 12. We're adding numbers to themselves. These are the doubles, 1 through 12. We're adding numbers to themselves.
Alright, great job guys. So hopefully that reminded you, just in case you'd forgotten, which I bet you hadn't, what all the doubles facts were. For the purposes of what we're doing today, you don't need to know the doubles facts through 12. We're just going to be focusing on those numbers 1 through 10 and doubling them. Alright, so now let's look back at those numbers that I was showing at the beginning. Do you also notice in the second column that I was showing the doubles plus or minus 1? Do you notice anything that could be the same about both sets of numbers? Here's a hint. Take a look at the blue numbers in both sets at the beginning of each problem. Those numbers are the same in both problems. But what do you notice about what is different? Look at the next column of numbers. How are those different? Do you notice that on the doubles plus or minus 1 side, that the number we're adding is bigger by 1 number each time? You should be noticing that. And also take a look at the answers. The answers are always off by 1 as well. So now let's take a minute to think a little bit more about the doubles plus or minus 1 problems. Let's listen to this.
We can use doubles facts to help solve addition problems.
Doubles facts can be easier to work with. If you memorize the doubles facts, they can make adding almost any two numbers a little easier. For example, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4.
To 6. 4 plus 4
is equal to 8. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, and so on. Let's take a look at 5 plus 6. 6 is very close to 5. Since you already have a 5 as the first addend, just add 5 plus 5 since it's a simple doubles fact. Now you have 10, but you need to add one more to make it so you added 6 in all. 5 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 11. So 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Let's look at another example. 7 plus 9. 9 is really close to 7, so you can just think of adding 2 7s and then 2 more to make adding 9 altogether. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. We need 2 more to make sure we added 9 altogether. 7 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 16. So 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. In this video, you learned
how to use doubles facts to add.
Thanks for watching.
All right, guys. So like she said in that video, you were using those doubles facts to help you add. So if you already know 7 plus 7 is 14, you should be able to figure out the doubles fact plus 1. 7 plus 8 would be what? 15, because you know 7 plus 7 is 14, so you just add one more to get 7 plus 8, and that would make 15. All right, now let's move on to looking at your number corner books. So you should be on page 8 in your number corner workbook. We're going right back to that grid that we had been filling in, showing all of the fact fluency that we've been learning this year. So today we're focusing on what 2 types of problems. I bet you can look in the legend and find what we're focusing on. Right, if you said doubles and if you said doubles plus or minus 1, you're correct. So let's start with just the plain old doubles facts. We're going to use red to color in the doubles facts. On the screen it looks a little brown, but I'm going to say let's go ahead and use red. So in the legend, could you color in the box that says doubles red? So color in that rectangle red for doubles. All right, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to look at this addition table, and I want you to color in all of the doubles facts red. Now notice that some of the doubles facts are already colored in. If that's the case, it's not a problem. You can just put a red X over top of ones that already have a color in that square. So go ahead now and you can pause the video, color in as many of those doubles facts as you can find. So go ahead and pause and you can restart it once you've colored in your doubles facts red, or put a red X through them if they're already colored. All right, now you should see that on the screen, they're the ones kind of going diagonally from the top left to the bottom right. They look kind of brown on the computer, but yours are going to be red. Notice I just put X's here for the doubles. I've also colored in the doubles plus or minus 1 facts purple. So you're going to go ahead and do that now as well. So in your legend, color purple where it says doubles plus or minus 1 facts. And you can again go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and color in all of those doubles plus or minus 1 facts. All right, great job. So do you notice that the doubles plus or minus 1 facts were all diagonally kind of on top of or below the doubles facts? It's because you're always having an answer that's either one more or one less than the doubles facts. So they're going to fall really close to each other on this fact fluency table. All right, and again, I'm not sure I mentioned this, but if they were already colored purple, you can just put a purple X over top of those spots. All right, guys, you did wonderful. Thanks for continuing to practice fact fluency with me today. I hope you've got those doubles and doubles plus or minus 1 facts down. Have a great day.